I do see the moon. Look at this. Oh my gosh, go slow, Jessica. Real. Oh my gosh, I said slow. Look at the sky, baby. There's her school. There's Jordan's school. Look at the sky over your school, baby. Look how pretty. I haven't seen the sky this pretty in a long time, Jessica. Of course I'm going to put this on YouTube. Yep, look how beautiful. I don't even know if this was... Okay, maybe it's done. Mommy can go fast.